Hello students, welcome to Eshwari Thaniksha channel. In this video, we are going to learn about atomic mass, molecular mass and molar mass. So whenever you go through the textbook, you will come across these words. That is atomic mass, molecular mass, molar mass, gram atomic mass, gram molecular mass, often very confusing. So in this video, we are going to understand all these terms. So let us start the video. So first let us study about atomic mass. First, atomic mass, and also we are going to study about gram atomic mass. So first let us start about atomic mass. So let us take one example to understand this atomic mass. Suppose if I ask you what is the atomic mass of hydrogen. So what you will do is, so just imaginary. So imagine that we are going to take a beaker, and in this beaker we are going to take only one hydrogen atom. So this is one hydrogen atom. So you know that atoms are very minute particles, so you cannot see through the naked eye. So just imagine, so in one beaker we are keeping one atom and we are going to measure the mass of one atom of hydrogen. So when you measure the mass, you will be getting it as 1. So what is the unit we have to use here? So in daily life, you know that the unit what we use is grams, kilograms. So whenever you go to a shop, so you will ask 1 kg of apple or 500 grams of sugar. But here, can we use those units grams or kg? We cannot use because atoms are very small. Therefore, the unit should be different. It should be very small unit. So here we are going to use a unit which is called as AMU, or you can use now another unit which is called as U, 1U. So what is AMU? So AMU is nothing but atomic mass unit, and the value of 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. So can you see in grams what is the value of 1 AMU? It is 1.66 into 10 to the power of minus 24 grams. So this is about atomic mass. So atomic mass means take the atom, measure the mass of that atom, and unit should be in AMU, or nowadays instead of using AMU, you will be using U. So what is this U? U is nothing but unified mass. Unified mass. So this is about atomic mass. Now coming to gram atomic mass. So again now the question is, if a question comes like this, what is the gram atomic mass of hydrogen? So can you see the difference here? Here it is atomic mass of hydrogen. Here we are going to calculate gram atomic mass of hydrogen. So when it is said gram atomic mass of hydrogen, how we are going to calculate is, again imagine we are going to take a beaker. So this is imaginary. We are going to take beaker, and in the beaker we are going to take how many hydrogen atoms? We are going to take 1 mole of hydrogen atoms. So 1 mole means how many atoms will be there? So 1 mole will be equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen atoms will be there. So many atoms. Can you see here? Here we have taken only one hydrogen atom. Here we have to take 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen atoms in the beaker. So inside the beaker, we are going to take that many hydrogen atoms. So now you measure the mass of this hydrogen atoms. So when you measure the mass, you will be getting the value again as 1. but whether the unit is the same, the unit will be different here. So it will be grams. So it will be equal to 1 gram. So meaning is, atomic mass meaning is we are going to measure the mass of one atom. Gram atomic mass means we have to take 1 mole of atoms and we are going to measure the mass of those atoms, and it should be in grams. Is that clear? Since here we are going to take in mole, that is 1 mole. Gram atomic mass is also known as molar mass. So here we can write in bracket, gram atomic mass is also known as molar mass. Molar mass. So now one more example we will take to understand this. Suppose if I ask you, what is the molar mass of nitrogen? So what is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is, we are going to take a beaker. In this we are going to take 1 mole of nitrogen atoms. So 1 mole means how many atoms we are going to take? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 nitrogen atoms we are going to take in this. And what will be the mass you are going to get now? So here you will be getting the answer as 14. What is the unit you are going to use? It is grams. So molar mass of nitrogen will be 14 grams. Is that clear? So that is the difference between atomic mass, gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass is also known as molar mass. So now we have seen these two terms, atomic mass and gram atomic mass. Next we will see about molecular mass. So next we are going to take molecular mass, and this side we are going to take gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass. So now, so again we will take one example to understand this. Suppose if a question is asked like this, what is the molecular mass of hydrogen? So here can you see, molecule means more than 1 atom should be present. So 2 hydrogen atoms are present here. So here we are going to take, again imagine, so we are going to take a beaker, and in the beaker we are going to take hydrogen molecule. So hydrogen molecule will be having 2 atoms of hydrogen will be present. So here molecular mass will be equal to, so how much it will be equal to? It will be equal to 1 hydrogen means mass will be 1. So 2 hydrogen means it will be 2. So for H2 molecule, the molecular mass will be 2. What is the unit? Here we are going to use the unit AMU, or you can write it as 2U, unified mass. So this is how you write the molecular mass. Coming to gram molecular mass. So again the question here is, what is the gram molecular mass of hydrogen molecule? So here again what you are going to do is, in a beaker we are going to take 1 mole of, what we are going to take? Hydrogen molecule, H2 molecule we are going to take. So inside this now you can see here, this is 1 molecule, this is 2nd molecule, this is 3rd molecule, this is 4th, this is 5th. Like this, how many molecule will be there? 6.022 into 10 to the power of 23 hydrogen molecule will be present. So gram molecular mass of hydrogen will be equal to, so again here you will be getting 2 as the answer. What is the unit here? Here the unit will be in grams. So if it is gram molecular mass, it should be in gram. So since here you can see we are going to take the number of molecule is moles, therefore this is also known as molar mass. So here gram molecular mass is also known as molar mass. So molar mass. So now this is the difference between molecular mass and gram molecular mass. Is the concept clear? So have we covered all the terms? Check here. So atomic mass we have seen, gram atomic mass we have seen. So gram atomic mass is also known as molar mass. If it is in terms of atoms, so you can take atoms, the mass of the atom for molar mass. And molecular mass we have seen along with gram molecular mass. So again, gram molecular mass is also known as molar mass. That is, you are going to take mole of molecules. So number of moles of molecule you will be taking. So that is the difference between these terms. So in order to understand this more clearly, so we are going to take some more examples so that the concept becomes very clear to you. So let us consider these examples. So in the first column, I'll be taking atomic mass. Atomic mass. In the second column, I'll be taking gram atomic mass, or you can also call it as molar mass. Molar mass. So now let us find. So the first one here, it is hydrogen atom. So can you see here only one atom is present. If it is molecule, it will be in the form of H2. So here hydrogen atom is present. So the number which is below here is called as atomic number, and the number which is above here is called as mass number. So mass number will give you the detail of or information about the atomic mass. So here what is the mass number present? 1. So that 1 you have to write here. And what is the unit you are going to write? You can write AMU or you can write it as U. So both are same. So the answer is 1 AMU. Now what is gram atomic mass or molar mass? So here it will be equal to 1 and the unit should be grams. Second question. So again here check the mass number. Mass number is 12. So write here 12. So 12 atomic mass means you should write AMU. Gram atomic mass or molar mass means you should write 12 grams. Clear? Next, nitrogen. So for the nitrogen again, so what is the mass you are going to write? Atomic mass 14. So you will be writing here 14 AMU, and for gram atomic mass you will be writing it as 14 grams. Then next for oxygen. So for oxygen, what is the atomic mass? I want you to try. So write in the comment section and also find the gram atomic mass for oxygen. So next example is sulfur. For sulfur, you can see here mass number is 32. So I'll be writing here as 32 AMU, and molar mass I'll be writing it as 32 grams. Next, magnesium. For magnesium, I'll be writing it as 24 AMU, and for gram atomic mass, I'll be writing it as 24 grams. Is that clear? Next we have some more examples. So here we are going to find molecular mass. Molecular mass. And here gram molecular mass. Molecular mass, or it is also called as molar mass. Molar mass. So now, so first here you can see oxygen. So here oxygen molecule is present because you can see 2 atoms are combined together. So 1 oxygen is 16. 2 oxygen means it will be 16 plus 16, which is equal to 32. What is the unit you are going to use? You can use AMU, or you can write it as U, unified mass. And gram molecular mass, you can write it as 32 grams. Is that clear? Next for ozone. Ozone, here 3 atoms are combined together, oxygen atoms. So 16 plus 16 plus 16. How much you will be getting? You will be getting 48 AMU, or you can write it as U, unified mass. And here gram molecular mass, you will be writing it as 48 grams. Clear? Next for sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid, you can see there are 2 hydrogen atoms, 1 sulfur atom, and you have 4 oxygen atom. So 2 hydrogen atom mass is 1 plus 1 sulfur mass is 32 atomic mass plus 4 oxygen is 16. So how much you will be getting? 2 plus 32 plus 16 fours are 64. So this is equal to 64 plus 32 plus 2 is 34. So 8, 9. You will be getting 98. So here 98 AMU, or you can, and here you will be writing it as 98 grams. Next for chlorine. So chlorine I want you to try. So here 2 chlorine atoms are there. So mass number of chlorine is 35.5. So 1 chlorine is 35.5. Here we have 2 chlorine atoms, 35.5 plus 35.5. So here add this, that will be giving you the molecular mass. So write in the comment section how much you are getting, and also find their molar mass and write in the comment section. So students, is that clear? So now whether you're finding it easy, these concepts, so if you're finding it easy, so you can subscribe our channel and also share this video with your friends. And if you have any other doubts, you can leave in the comment section. I'll meet you in the next video, students. All the very best.